Hello guys, welcome sa Pakit Card Shop. Tayo ay may video ngayon ulit at mag-share tayo ng card na set na Synergy ng Top Class. Top Class Synergy. So, start na natin. Una is Synergy ng Atlanta Hawks. So, ito is break na sila na na-trade na si Murray. Trae Young at si DeJounte Murray. So, ito is meron silang 68. 68 daw. May information siya, 68 match together. So, ang una nilang match ay nung October 19, 2022. Diba? So, next, Boston, the champ. Siyempre, si Jason Tatum at si Jaylen Brown. Meron silang 366 matches na magkasama. At nung first game nila is 2017, October din. October 17. Next is Chicago Bulls. So, Lavin at si DeRozan na ito ay na-trade na rin si DeRozan. Meron silang 132. At 2021 sila huling magkasama. Sa unang magkasama pala. Okay? Cubs. Cleveland Cavaliers Synergy. Si Garland at si Mitchell. So, meron silang 59. At 2022 sila unang naglaro magkasama. Okay? Next. Jimmy Butler at si Bam Adebayo ng Miami Heat. So, meron silang 213 matches together. At 2019 sila unang nagkampi. Diba guys? Next is Giannis. Siyempre, ang Milwaukee Bucks Synergy number 320 222 222. So, Antetokounmpo at Lillard, meron silang ito na nakalagay. Hindi pa sila magkasama, na-injured kasi, no? So, first match nila together is 2023, bago lang. Okay? Next is New York Knicks Synergy. Si Randle at si Bronson. So, meron silang matches together na 66 times. At noong 2022 sila unang kampi, October. Next is, ito yung batang Synergy, Orlando Magic. Orlando Magic, si Wagner at si Banchero. Meron silang 71 match together. At 2022, siyempre, sophomore pa lang to eh. Okay? Tyrese Maxey at si Joel Embiid, Philadelphia 76ers Synergy. So, Maxey and Embiid, meron silang 164 match together. At 2020 sila, nung rookie si Maxey. Okay. Dallas Maverick, Luka and Kyrie Synergy. So, meron silang 16 matches together. At nung una nilang magkampi is 2023, November 2. November 2. Next is Denver Nuggets Synergy. Diba? Jokic at si Murray. Meron silang 387. Wait, linawan natin. 387. At ang first match nila together is 2016. October 26. So, ang Splash Brothers no more, si Clay at si Curry. So, ito na. Kanilang pinagsamahan. 597. At 2011 sila unang nagsama. December 25, Christmas pa. Christmas time. Now, wala na. Clippers Synergy. So, Kawhi and Paul George na break up na. 118 matches together. At 2019 sila unang maging magkakampi. November 20. Next, siyempre, Bron at si AD. Lakers Synergy. So, ito, Davis at James. 144 matches together. At 2019, October 2019 sila unang naging magkakampi. Puro injured kasi si Davis. So, this time, Memphis, Ja Morant at si JJJ Jackson Jr. So, meron silang bodies. 166 matches there at yung first match nila is 2019. October 23. Next is si Kat at si Ant. Diba? Minnesota Timberwolves Synergy. So, si Towns at si Edwards, siyempre, rookie year ni Edwards is 2020, kaya doon sila nag-first match. At ang kanilang match together is 145. Okay? So, ito is si KD at si Booker. Suns, diba? Meron silang 8 matches together. Ano to? Puro injury kasi. At first match nila is 2023. January 3. Ang last is Sacramento Kings. Yan. Si De'Aaron Fox at si Sabonis. Meron silang 84 matches together. At 2022 ang first game nila. Okay? September 2. So, ito yung synergy. Bali, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 teams ang kasali sa una nilang synergy. So, maraming nawawala. Ilan ba yung team doon sa NBA? Okay? Sino-sino ba yung mga wala sa team? Comment nyo nga. Salamat. Thank you sa panonood.